Hello and welcome to Fox Tech. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to disable a trial or cancel a subscription on your iPhone. If you've ever started a subscription using the App Store or through an iPhone app and now you want to cancel it, or if you want to stop a free trial before you get charged, I'll guide you through the steps to manage this effectively. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. At the top of the screen, tap on your name to access your Apple ID settings. In this menu, you'll find an option called Subscriptions. Tap on it to see a list of your active and inactive subscriptions. Here, you'll see all the subscriptions you have through your Apple ID, including any free trials you might have started. To cancel a subscription, tap on the one you wish to manage. Once you've selected the subscription, you'll see details about it, including the renewal date and options to change or cancel the subscription. To cancel the subscription, tap on Cancel Subscription. A notification will appear informing you of the expiration date, which might be immediate or at the end of the current billing cycle. This ensures you won't be charged again. Confirm the cancellation by tapping Confirm. After you've canceled, the subscription will still appear in your list, but will show an expiration date instead of a renewal date. This is useful for keeping track of when your access to the service will end. By following these steps, you can easily manage your subscriptions and ensure you're not charged for services you no longer wish to use. This process helps you avoid unexpected charges and gives you control over your app subscriptions. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to disable a trial or cancel a subscription on your iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Fox Tech C for more tech tips and tutorials. Until next time, peace.